Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you how to enable data layer from your WordPress e-commerce site. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I'm going to show you the data layer is not enabled now. Okay, so I'm showing the first condition, there has no data layer. Okay, I just connect my website and showing you. So just a minute, I just search our website URL, essential cloth store, and paste here, and finally connect on. Here you can see tag assistant is connected. Okay, so just I click the shop now button. After shop now button, click a product. Okay, and just choose the option and size and add to basket, and finally view basket, and I'm going to the checkout option. Okay, so here you can see checkout option, view item list, data layer is not founded. Okay, and if you also check this extension, no data layer is found here. Okay, so now I'm going to enable data layer. So how can I enable the data layer? First of all, I have to go backend of this website. Okay, so I'm going to backend option. When I go to the backend option, then first of all I need to write login information. Okay, so username is this one, and write this username and remember me and login. Just try to again and use this one and try to log in. And administration email verification, please verify the administration email for this website, current administration, and maybe email verification is important now. Just a minute. And finally I have login my website. Okay, so first of all I will check the plugin, install plugin. So if I check all the plugin, then I will find the WordPress GTM plugin. So site by Google redirection. So first of all I need to go new plugin option. Okay, so here you can see the site kit. Okay, so connect your Google account to the site kit. So just I'm going to add a new plugin. Okay, and right here GTM. Okay, and finally install this plugin and activated this one, and I will check our GTM code is login paste on theme appearance file. Okay, just a minute, I need to check. And I'm going to header.php.com. I understand, header.php. Okay, so no GTM tag is found. Okay, so now I need to go the GTM plugin and find out new install plugin. Okay, so this one is new plugin. Just a minute, GTM, and I need to activate it, this one. Okay, after activating this one, I need to the settings option, where I found the option. I face this problem again. Add a new plugin and found the GTM option and activate it. Available plugin, disable troubleshoot mode. Okay, I need to disable troubleshoot mode now, then I need to activate it again. Just try one. And now activate it. And finally this one is activated. Okay, so first of all I need to integrate this one. Okay, so I need to container ID, so I found here and copy this one, the container ID, and paste here. Okay, then save changes. Then we need to click the integration option. Please click the integration option, and here you can see WooCommerce option. Please click the advanced option, integration, track e-commerce, click this one, cart containing data layer, category data layer, customer data layer, order data layer, and perfect. Huh. And I think everything is okay now. That's save changes. So let's go again. It is working not, or I need to check data layer is enabled or not. Okay, copy this one. Copy this one and finally paste here. And data layer is loading now. Just I'm going to hoodie option, and try to purchase one. Okay, add to cart and select the option cream 3XL, add to basket, and check out. Here you can see data layer is enabled, and also here you can see please GTM is not founded. Just try one. Remarketing, and if the view item, this data layer is enabled. Okay, and also API call is enabled. Okay, I think data layer is enabled now. Here you can see. So in this way you can track, in this way you can enable data layer very easily. But I think I need to check site dashboard, because connect. Just a minute, because I need to check again. Okay, everything is okay now. I think everything is perfect. So in this way you can enable data layer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, if you have any confusion, let me contact us. Thank you so much.